going to give you few seconds, unmute everyone, and everyone can clap for the child so that the children feel appreciation. Now we are going to start with Abir. Abir, hi Abir. Abir saying, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Abhi,
Abir, all right.
All
We are
right.
ready for you. Start.
For you, start.
Nani? Ma'am, 1 second. Start, bolo. No, I am vegetable seller. Loudly.
Abir's mom, you can actually
Amir's mom, you can actually
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually your voice is not audible now.
ma'am, I was saying that you can
Ma'am, I was saying
after
that you
Abir.
can after the beat.
Once Abir has done
Once a beat
one
has
dialogue, then you can
done
repeat
one
it
dialogue, then you can repeat it.
Yes, ma'am.
so that everybody
Ma'am,
can
So
hear
that
whatever the
everybody can
spices.
hear whatever the spices.
Ma'am, sorry, you are saying that I should repeat it.
Yes, ma'am, I'm saying
Yes,
that
ma'am, I
let
am saying
Abir
that let Abir
first,
speak first,
and then you can repeat it so
and
that
then you can
audience
repeat
can
it so
also
that
listen what
audience
he's
can
trying to
also
say.
listen what he's trying to say.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Abhi say. Good morning. My name is Abhi Singh. I am vegetable seller. I have potatoes, capsicum, onion, tomatoes. Thank you. Ma'am, he has done.
Oh, wonderful!
Oh, wonderful!
I just
I
unmuted
just
everyone and can everyone start clapping for you. Well done. Okay, so now I'm going to take one moment, Gurveen ma'am. Just give me 1 second to set the camera for Nimrit. I think it's her turn now.
And after that is the junior. We can get
Yeah.
ready after that.
Yeah, just give me 1 minute.
So Nimit is going to be the juice vendor today. She's dressed up like a juice vendor. So now everybody is going to learn what a juice vendor is. All right?
Ma'am, can you hear us and see us now?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, Nimrit, it is your turn. You have to speak loudly to ma'am, okay? Say, my name is. Look at ma'am, look at I am a. So she's saying, my name is Nimrit Kaur Chadda, father's name is Rupambir Singh Chadda. I am a juice seller. Oh, interview practice got mixed, sorry. She's saying, I am a juice seller. Now ask ma'am. Which juice you want? Loudly ask. Loudly ask ma'am. Nimrit Kaur Chadda. Can you complete your dialogue, please?
Nimit got
Ask ma'am. 1 second. Loudly ask loudly. Ma'am, she's asking which juice you want.
I want apple juice.
This one. Okay, she wants apple juice. Can you make some for her? Okay.
I thought she's showing me the red card.
Can you give quickly to ma'am? Your turn is getting over now.
Very good.
Okay,
Wonderful.
give it to ma'am.
Thank you so much, Nimrit. Thank you
Me?
for this tasty, yummy juice.
She's asking for money.
Money. The way you have given me the juice, you can take the money also.
Take the money from ma'am. Say thank
All
you.
right. Thank you so much, Nimrit. Bye bye. Thank you so much. That was very nice of you, Nimrit. Beautiful set of Ruchi ma'am. I must tell you that. And great get up for Nimrit as well. Lots of efforts have gone into this. Very nice. Thank you so
Ma'am, it
much.
will be a good idea if you can try to reconnect, Gurima. I think that will help you. Yeah. So just tell me who is the what is the next turn? Ajuni.
Juni's turn.
Okay. Ajuni, we welcome you here.
Say loud. Give your vegetables. Say loudly. My name is Julie.
Okay, vegetable seller. Which vegetables you have? Do you have some onion with you? Vegetable seller. Do you have some onion? Okay, wow. Can you give me 1 kg of onion? Thank you. How much money you want? How much money you want? Ma'am, you're speaking on mute. 1 second. How much money you want?
How much money है Julie? Ma'am, she is a foreigner. She's asking for $2.
Okay. I'll give you $2. Thank you, Ajuni. I request everybody to give a big clap for her.
Ajuni, very good.
Very good. Very good. For Ajuni. Wonderful. Very well done.
Wonderful. Very well done, Ajuni.
Very well done, Ajuni.
Yes, ma'am. The voice quality is good now. Thank you.
Good now. Thank you.
Thankfully.
Thankfully.
Yeah.
All right. The next turn is of Abrabnur Singh,
Abrabnur Singh.
All right.
and he's going to
And he's going to
play the character of a milkman.
Great.
So, welcome, Rabnur Singh.
Welcome, Rabnoor. Big clap. The kids are doing really well. So, start. Loudly.
My name is Anuti. My junior attitude. I am Minma. Good morning. I to come to house. Who teacher me? It makes you so 40 hours. That's why I
Amazing. Amazing. Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Very nice.
Can you please repeat the lines once? It was amazing.
Ma'am, he said, I am a milkman. Every morning I come to your house to give the milk. It makes you strong and healthy body. Thank you and
Oh,
have a
wow.
nice day.
Wonderful
this
message,
is
Rabnoor.
wonderful.
Lovely.
Clapping everyone for Rabnoor. Very good. Brilliant.
Participant is Kudrat Kaur, and she is going to act like a trash picker.
All right, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Kudrat Kaur, but and I am acting as trash collector. Very good. Trash collector. They collect all the dirty things and keep the city clean and green. Always throw your garbage in the dustbin. Now collect all the trash. Start. हाँ, नहीं उसको खींच के जैसे पहले हमने किया था भी. हाँ. City is clean and green. Thank you.
Oh, wonderful.
Cool.
So mind
Kudrat?
blowing. Very good. Nice effort, ma'am.
Amazing, actually. A very good concept and very good lesson to everybody. Very well done, Kudrat. Thank you so much, ma'am. Can we just give a clap for her?
Everybody can give a big round of applause for her. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I request Namish Singla, and he's a vendor too. So Namish is going to sell vegetables. Namish, you're looking very nice. So which vendor are you?
So which vendor are you now?
भैया
Loudly.
अरे भैया नमस्कार अरे भैया नमस्कार अरे भैया नमस्कार
अरे क्या लोगे आप?
आप क्या लोगे
Loudly.
आप क्या लोगे आप अरे सबकी
हम बस इतना ही बोला है.
But ma'am, this was good. It was very good. Actually, Ramesh is showing that confidence on the screen. He is repeating everything very nicely, and he is so comfortable with the get-up. So this is what we were actually looking for. That the children should have some confidence to face people with the new a new attire and everything. And they're whatever they're trying, that we're just loving. They're totally good. Thank you so much, Namesh. And we are going to give one more time again for everybody to clap. Brilliant.
Very well done, Namish. Leen Sachdeva, and she's a barber.
Is Jislin there? Yes.
ऐसे बोलो एवरीवन. जैसे नहीं लिप्स पे लगाते हैं पहले बोलो हेलो. हाँ यहाँ पे बोलो माय नेम इज जैस्लीन. आई एम अ बार्बर. कम टू माय शॉप. बोलो कम टू माय शॉप. आई विल कट.
Ma'am, can you be a bit louder?
बोलो barber cut my hair, clip it here and clip it there, tie your all skill and art. बोलो ना. Make me look bright and smart.
Barber is more interested to change the profession into a beautician.
She's more like a makeup artist. But great effort, ma'am. And Baba, where is your scissors?
Where's your scissors?
The
Show.
Baba, show your scissors.
Yes.
With which you cut your hair. Very good. So the barber cuts the hair with his pair of scissors. All right. Very good, Jasleen. So please give a hand for Jasleen. Wonderful.
Ma'am, please repeat
Manas-
one more time.
The
Manas-
next in the row is Manaswini, and she's a greengrocer.
All right.
Hi, Manaswini. What are you selling today, Manaswini?
No,
You're selling?
ma'am.
I am a sabji wala. Vinny, come here, beta. She has forgotten something. चलो बोलो आई एम अ सब्जी वाला कैसे बोलता है जोर से बोलो ना लाउड बोलो सब्जी आगे सब्जी ले लो सब्जी हरी हरी सब्जी आपके पास कौन से वेजिटेबल्स है बेटा which vegetable is this और कौन कौन से वेजिटेबल्स हैं ये कौन सा वेजिटेबल आपके हैंड में नहीं वेरी गुड और कौन कौन सी वेजिटेबल है आपके पास कैरेट है विनी के पास और कौन सी वेजिटेबल है वेरी गुड और सब्जी वाले अंकल कैसे बोलते हैं नोनू सब्जी वाले अंकल कैसे बोलते हैं सब्जी ले लो Everybody would love to take sabji from you, Manaswini. You're so cute. Aloo lelo was so cute. अच्छा वो तो बोल के दिखा दो सब्जी Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. It was brilliant, brilliant effort. So, big round of applause. Well done,
Very nice, Manaswini. Keep it up. Now, next in the row, we have Ganesh Singh, and he is going to act like a traffic police havaldar. So, we really need to learn the traffic police rules now from him.
Ma'am, he just broke his prop. So, yeah,
He can just hold it in his hand, ma'am, like that. That is all right.
he was playing around since morning and he just broke it right now.
And that's all right, ma'am.
That's perfectly fine. No worries.
Come, start. Okay, start. Start it. इधर देखो.
I'm Avatar.
Be loud.
I'm Avatar.
Yeah. Know about.
I touch about single lights. Yes. What did you say? I say stop. No light away. Yellow light. What did you say? I say ready for the
Blind to
light to be green. Green light. What did you say? I say go right away. Stay on your slave for you.
listen.
That was very nice, Ganesh. Wonderful. So, you are a traffic police havaldar, right?
Yes.
Very good. Blow your whistle. Wonderful. Very good. Let's give a hand for Ganesh Singh. He's done it so well. Thank you, Ganesh. Now we have Viransh Gupta, and he is also a greengrocer. Viransh,
Loudly say.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Rai Gupta. And my school is Hopkins School. I am a greengrocer. आलू ले लो सब्जी ले लो सब्जी कहाँ पर है सब्जी कहाँ पर है फिर ऑरेंज ले लो ऑरेंज ले लो ऑरेंज ले लो ऑरेंज ले लो give it back Orange ले लो, potato ले लो, apple ले लो, नाना ले लो, नाना को खाना नहीं, टमाटो ले लो, टमाटो ले लो, तुम तो खा लो,
Thank you.
उसके बाद खाऊंगी,
Thank you.
थैंक यू.
Very well done, Viransh. It was so nice. It seemed like the sabzi wala ka tokri has become very heavy. I could not pick it up, but you have done it wonderfully. Very well done. Let's give a hand for Viransh Gupta. Very good, Viransh. Now we have next is Samreen Kaur, and she is also a greengrocer. Ma'am, are you there? Samreen's mother?
Yes, ma'am, she is there. I'll help her unmute.
Just one. Baby, 1 minute. अच्छी सब्जी. ऐसे बोलो. Come. बोलो. Come. मेरी गल तो सुनो बेबी. गल सुनो. अच्छी सब्जी वाली नहीं बनाई, यहाँ पे करो. यहाँ पे आओ. Come. यहाँ पे आओ. यहाँ पे आओ. Okay, दादी ओपन कर देंगे. दादी बोलो. हाँ, बोलो.
She's more interested in her own with queries, list of queries.
Yes.
What is she become, ma'am, otherwise today?
Ma'am, she become vegetable seller and I have prepared number of things for her, but she's not
It's
comfortable
okay.
right now.
Samreen, show me one vegetable you have in your hand.
One vegetable.
Show me one vegetable.
Baby,
Okay, it's okay, ma'am. You can make her comfortable. We'll move to the next child. We will come back to
Okay.
her one more time. We'll give her time. Don't worry.
all right, ma'am.
So next we have Rivansh Kapoor. He's an ice cream seller.
Welcome, Rivansh. Please start.
Ice cream. Jल्दी बोल. Loudly.
I came cool, I came cool, I am ice cream seller. Who wants ice cream? So many I have so many ice cream. Thank you. Have a nice day.
That was so nice, Rivansh. Right, that is very nice, and I really like the ice cream that you are holding. Which flavor it is, Rivansh? Which flavor of ice cream is it? Strawberry? Wonderful. You're doing amazing. Wow. Thank you so much. It is so good to have you. So, Samreen's mother, is Samreen ready? Let's give a hand for Rivansh first. Wonderful. Great. Now, Samreen's mother, if she's ready, then we can do with her. Ma'am, is Samreen ready? Is she settled down?
Samreen's mom, we can give her one more try after we do the worksheet. You can pursue her. That is all right. Don't worry. Okay.
All right, ma'am.
Okay, you can keep talking to her. We are still here. So we'll go with the worksheet and then later we'll come back to her.
All right, ma'am. Fine.
So first of all, let's give a hand to all of the kids. It's a great initiative and they have spoken something for the first time on the screen. It was wonderful. So let's Applause for each and every one of you who's looking so beautiful and great efforts and wonderful kiddos. I love you all. You have made it very nice. All right. So parents, I would now request that you take your worksheets out. अगर हम worksheet फटाफट से finish करेंगे, then we'll have a good surprise for you. Only if we finish off the worksheet. And the worksheet's name is Community Helpers and Their Vehicles. It's a maze, right? So are we all ready? Take your pens and pencils or crayons. Can we start now, kiddos? Can you all give me a thumbs up? All right, let's begin. So tell me which community helper this is. Okay, Nimrit, you tell me which community helper this is.
Ma'am, 1 second. Let me enlarge the screen. Sorry, 1 second. All right. Nimrit ma'am is asking which community help. Who is this? Which
Doctor.
answer, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful. Very good. It is a doctor. Okay. Viransh, can you tell me what is the vehicle matching with the doctor? Viransh?
Sits in?
Ambulance.
Very good. He sits in an ambulance. So let's mark the doctor and matching with the ambulance. Wonderful. Okay. Ganesh, tell me who is this?
Who is this? Tell ma'am.
Policeman.
Very good. And Kudrat, what is the vehicle the policeman has? Policeman sits in which vehicle, Kudrat? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me which vehicle does policeman sits in? He sits in a
Policeman. And he sits in a police van.
van. He sits in a police van. Very good. So we will take this from here and go in a curve to reach the police van. Here.
यहाँ से जाएंगे अपने सारे को से काटे काटे मार
Okay. Ajuni, tell me who is this? Tell me who is this?
Ajuni, tell me. Look here.
Abhi to you were talking about dollars. Tell me who is he? We have to ride with him to go and get the dollars.
Ajuni, who's he? Ajuni. Ma'am, lost.
Oh, no problem, ma'am. Abhi, can you tell me who is he? Abhi, tell me who is he?
ये चलो गार्डन में चलते हैं
Huh? All right. He's a pilot. And Jasleen, tell me, pilot has which vehicle? What does the pilot fly?
This which vehicle? What is this? This? What is this? Yes, speak loudly.
Aeroplane. Wonderful. Good. All right. Now match this with the aeroplane. Okay, Manaswini, tell me who is he? Manaswini, look into the screen and tell me who he is.
मैम पूछ रहे हैं क्या बताओ मैम पूछ रहे हैं कौन है बेटा मैम पूछ रहे हैं कौन है फायर कौन करता है विनय मैम शी इज नॉट इन द मूड टू आंसर
That is okay. Rabnur, can you tell me who is he? Ravnoor, tell me who is he? Very good. He's a firefighter. Ravnoor, tell me, what does a firefighter use to seize off the fire? Very good, very prompt. So we have matched all the vehicles with the professionals. Wonderful. Ruchi ma'am, are we ready with the surprise?
Yes, ma'am. But before we leave, we have to spend some time with Samreen. So
Yes,
the
I'm waiting for
surprise
it.
is a random dance on a Punjabi song. No teacher today. We'll just go for fun. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Gurveen ma'am, you can see who do what kind of step. So here you go. Nimit, come over. No, wait. I am playing the music. I'll be your DJ today. Here you go.
कैटवॉक वाली बेबी है तेरी चाल बैकलेस सूट विच लगदी कमाल ओ किथे चली जांदी है ओ किथे चली जांदी है ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਹੈ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਸਵਾਲ ਉਹ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਕੁਵਾਰੀਆਂ ਆ ਕਿਸ ਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਉਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਜਾਨੀ ਏ ਜਾਨ ਕੱਢ ਜਾਨੀ ਏ ਇਹਨੇ ਵੀ ਨਖਰੇ ਤੂੰ ਕਰੀ ਨਾ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਇਹਨੇ ਵੀ ਨਖਰੇ ਤੂੰ ਕਰੀ ਨਾ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਦਿਲ ਮੇਰਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਧੜਕਦੀ ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚੱਲੀ ਏ ਮੋਰੀ ਵੀ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚੱਲੀ ਏ ਮੋਰੀ ਵੀ ਬਣ ਕੇ
Ajuni, Nimrit, Divansh, let's get up dance, everybody.
They are actually
Why are you
standing,
dancing?
ma'am. They are actually standing. They're feeling कि शायद वो because they are habitual ना that Kajal ma'am dances and we follow. So she's saying Kenny मैं क्या करूँ? So I'll try to give some steps to them. Okay.
All right, ma'am.
So we move together. Okay, let's do together. So
Let's do as
they are
ma'am does,
confused.
okay?
Actually, they are confused कि ये हो क्या रहा है third base. Okay, let's do that. Mothers can join me. I'll also try to show my dance skills today. Here we go again.
कैटवॉक वाली बेबी है तेरी चाल बैकलेस सूट विच लगदी कमाल ओ किथे चली जांदी है ओ किथे चली जांदी है ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਹੈ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਸਵਾਲ ਉਹ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਕੁਵਾਰੀਆਂ ਆ ਕਿਸ ਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਉਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਜਾਨੀ ਏ ਜਾਨ ਕੱਢ ਜਾਨੀ ਏ ਇਹਨੇ ਵੀ ਨਖਰੇ ਤੂੰ ਕਰੀ ਨਾ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਇਹਨੇ ਵੀ ਨਖਰੇ ਤੂੰ ਕਰੀ ਨਾ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਦਿਲ ਮੇਰਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਧੜਕਦੀ ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚੱਲੀ ਏ ਮੋਰੀ ਵੀ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਅੱਜ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚੱਲੀ ਏ ਮੋਰੀ ਵੀ ਬਣ ਕੇ
She's saying, "Mama, you don't dance well. I want Kajal ma'am." So we planned a surprise, but kids are actually looking for Kajal ma'am. Next time we have to get it done from her only.
But it was a great session. I would like to thank Vuchi ma'am for the efforts that, and it is very nice to see you dancing.
Thank you, ma'am.
and I request the parents to keep indulging kids. Always give them a break after they have studied. Give them a reward. So this dance was just a reward for all the hard work they had put in. So wonderful, kiddos. I'm so proud of you all. But I would still like Samreen to pitch in once again. Ma'am, if she's ready, then we can hear her out.
Yeah, give Delhi.
I think she's here. Ruchi ma'am, Samreen is here.
Ma'am, she's there. Ma'am is trying with her.
All right.
चलो बोलो 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 मैम को बोलो बोलो come.
Wow, vegetable seller, you have so many vegetables with you. What are you going to sell?
Baby, take care of me. Ma'am, she's coming.
All right, ma'am, no problem. Vegetable seller, आप मेरे को 1 किलो प्याज दे दो, onions.
मैम दे दो मैम
आप अपने शॉपिंग बैग में डाल के मुझे onions और tomatoes दे दो.
टमेटो मैम कहते हैं मुझे टमेटो दे दो
1 kg onions and 1 kg
kg
tomatoes.
Yay.
Very good. Thank you so much. Oh, this is one only. Oh, wonderful. And tomatoes also. Give me tomatoes.
Ma'am,
Give me 1 kg tomatoes.
Okay, 1
Very-
kg.
Tomatoes 1 kg. Okay, wonderful. And I want cucumbers also. Samreen, I need cucumbers even. Thank you. Vegetable seller, your vegetable is so fresh. I will buy it from you only tomorrow. Again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Samreen. Thank you so much. Very good. Thank you, everyone, for such a nice, inputs that you have given. Thank you so much for all the efforts. I love you all, kids. You were very, very nice. So
And
keep
I-
smiling. Keep
Ma'am,
smiling.
I just want to add on that though every participant they've been given 2 to 3 minutes only, but the mothers they were so good and cooperative and patient to look at everybody's performance, and they were appreciating all the children despite the kid has performed, their kid has performed or not. So this is a moment of pride for us, and this is the sense of belongingness we share with each other. So we are like a family. Thank you so much for encouraging our kids, and we will love to have such kind of sessions many more times during this year so that we can make them stage ready. Pandemic की वजह से कोई भी corner या बच्चे का ऐसा नहीं रहना चाहिए which we later realize कि oh, this portion was missed out of the holistic development. So we want to encourage all the children to keep participating. You have done a brilliant job in dressing them, in preparing them, and all kids were rocking. Right. So here we take a break. As already notified that we are going to have the mock-up starting from 25th. So we will see you on Friday then for the mock-up. Keep revising the concepts. Take care. Bye-bye.